Today, I will show you how to replace the CeruShield filter on an external phonec receiver using the new CeruShield Disk. The disk has two openings. Opening number 1 shows a trash can. This is where you'll deposit your used filter. Opening number 2 is where you'll collect the replacement filter. Each disc contains 8 replacement filters protected from dust and dirt. But don't worry, inside the disc, the new and old filters stay separated, so there's no way you can mix them up. When you're ready to exchange the filter, first you'll turn the cover of the disc until you see a new CeruShield filter appear in opening number 2. To turn it, use both hands and place your thumbs over the arrows on the side of the disc. Do not place your thumbs where the openings are, as this will block the rotation. Your index fingers should be at the bottom of the disc. Then rotate your thumbs in a clockwise direction. Please be sure not to apply too much pressure, as this will create friction and make turning difficult. You will hear and feel 2 clicks. Now you have a new CeruShield in opening number 2. Now it's time to take the dome off of the hearing aid. To do that, you simply grab the dome and pull like this and set it to the side. Then you grab the spout of the receiver and at a right angle, you insert the spout into opening number 1. Then, you repeat the procedure and collect the new filter by sticking the spout in opening number 2. Now you've successfully changed your CeruShield filter. The last step is to put the dome back on the hearing aid. And now you're good to go.